Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ guys with a hybrid engine, and if you're trying to find where the throttle body is located in case you need to replace it, stay with us. We'll cover that today and we'll explain what needs to be done to replace it. Even if you have a non-hybrid engine, it may work as well because things don't differ too much guys. But that exactly hybrid or hybrid energy engine has been used in all these three vehicles. It's the same drivetrain practically, so let's go ahead and explain that today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let me show you what we need to do here. We'll open the hood, okay, and now guys, in order to get to the throttle body, the only thing, okay, that you will need to do is you will need to remove 2 hoses. One is the air intake hose from the grill to the box, air filter box right here. You can see that's the engine. It's that hose right here guys, it goes like that. Now that hose on the bottom has only 2 bolts that you need to remove right here, and here it has 2 clips, okay, where it attaches right here on the sides and 2 on top and bottom. So you will need to remove that hose. Then you have that hose right here guys, okay, and this one will go like that. Okay, let's remove that napkin there quick. We have it so we don't drop things. That hose will be here on top, and you will need to disconnect that vacuum line. That vacuum line, all we have to do just push that thing back and pull it up. First push down, push the gray thing back, pull it up. And once you remove, get the 2 hose clamp loose, you can just pull it out, you get out, and that's your throttle body here guys. It's super simple by the way, because some of them on modern vehicles are actually coolant, engine coolant goes through those. Fortunately on this one it doesn't. All we have to do at that point to remove it, disconnect the wire right here on the throttle body, pull that red thing up, press down, disconnect it, and then you have 4 bolts here that you need to remove with 8mm socket. They're actually screws, and you pull it out. But if you have a bad throttle body code or throttle body problems, often it could be just a dirty throttle body that's causing that trouble, and this one is pretty dirty on the inside. We have a special video that explains how to clean throttle body, okay, on a car. Check it out on our main YouTube channel, How to Repair guys. You can find it there and it will teach you how to do that, what's a safe cleaner, and how you can make that throttle body like brand new again. Also we have a video that explains on How to Repair guys how to test throttle body, which is very beneficial guys, and you can find out if it's working or not. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find this information. If you need any help with anything, let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.